In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to watch VR 360 videos on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the easiest approach to watch 360 VR videos on an iPhone or any other smartphone. So this will work for both Android and iOS. The process is the same. All that you have to do is open YouTube. So for this method, we're going to be searching for 360 VR videos through YouTube directly. This way you won't need to download any other additional applications, and they will have filters to make searching for videos much simpler. So just open the search function and in here look for VR 360 or anything along those lines. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you say VR 360, the videos that appear will be 360 VR experiences. So all that you have to do now is choose any of these. So once you find a specific video that you want to watch, tap on it. And now you will get instructions on what to do. If you have some form of VR viewer headset like a Google Cardboard, you should be able to see this icon here and you can tap on it to experience YouTube in VR. So you can tap continue. So all that you have to do now is move your device around and you can see the 360 view here. So not only is it in virtual reality, but you will also have this 360 gyroscope view of the scene. If a specific video does not have the icon appearing, this means that it doesn't support the VR viewer headsets like Google Cardboard, but you will be able to find plenty of videos that have this function. There are external applications that also allow you to do this, however they aren't mandatory. I recommend using YouTube if you just want to have the easiest time possible setting this all up, because as you noticed, you can just search for videos directly here. I hope I was able to help you on how to watch VR 360 videos on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.